Okay, this is me, Vinay. I'm in the middle of a lightning storm. Bloody hell, did you see that? I'm in the middle of a lightning storm over here in Riga, so, you know me and storms. So, yeah, I thought I'd film some of this. This is one hell of a storm. I haven't seen one like this for ages. It's a bit dark, I know, but you'll see some illumination. Whoa! Did you see that? Bloody hell, that was something. Whoa. I guess you could hear that as well. Fucking hell. That was brutal. You know, today I took and passed my surgery exam, and I don't know, maybe this is, Thor from upstairs telling me his congratulations. Anyway, I should stop with the silly small talk and just keep filming. Whoa, did you see that? That is brilliant. Wow. Wait. I'm gonna flip it over a bit. My goodness me. The heavens are on fire tonight. Come on, show us some more. Wow. Oh man. Whoa. This is pretty wild. And the rain is coming my way too. Now the rain is getting a bit heavier. Whoa, here we go again. Another blast of lightning just followed. But yeah, the wind and rain is getting rather heavier. God. I know for most part this footage looks rather pitch black, but I'm here. I guess that makes the lightning show up a lot better. Yeah, you see that? That's the view from down. Whoa. Oh, that was bright. Whoa. Sorry about all the woes, I just can't control my tongue when these lightning bolts fire out of the sky. It's just absolutely spectacular. problem with a lot of people these days is that they don't really pay attention to nature, you know. They don't really pay attention to what the nature is trying to show us, or the secrets it's revealing. Rain has gotten a bit more brutal. Oh. Yay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I might have to delete those crappy guitar videos that I did over in England to make more way for things like this. Wow, that was something. These thunderheads must be a few miles away, up in the atmosphere. Bloody hell, dude, that was unbelievable. Oh, fucking hell. Coming down. Gosh. Why is it that lightning never comes out so good on pictures or videos? Gosh, it's really pissing it down right now. It's all here. Light, sound, wind, rain, and a lot of it. Oh, shit, I missed that. Oh, yeah. I did notice though, on the way to my surgery exam this morning, there were quite a few thunderheads in the sky. I have photos of those, but I guess it was a definite hint that there'd be one hell of a show. And in the middle of the day I heard some pretty wild thunder cracking all over the place. So yeah, it was definitely a hint. Give anything to see a proper like thunderhead, you know, the typical anvil head shaped clouds that have immense amounts of energy and produce all of this weather that I'm seeing here. Whoa. Give anything to see one of those, like in full swing. I saw a developing one this morning, but more importantly I'd give anything to see a supercell, you know, with the anvil and everything and the mesocyclone. But I guess those kind of storms don't really form over here so much. They could if the right conditions were met, but for the most part they never seem to come together. But it's a matter of time, you know. I've always been fascinated by storms, but I think last year I really got more into it than ever. So I guess this year a lot I've been accumulating documentaries, reading more books, studying photos, and now this taking photos of myself and now videos. So, you know, my interest in storms has just gotten ever more avid. There's no doubt that it's going to keep on advancing. It's just going to get, I'm just going to get more and more into it. Must admit, my interests are rather quirky. In medicine, most people seem to want to be surgeons, internal medicine specialists, I don't know, pediatricians, emergency physicians. Me, on the other hand, I want to be either infectious or pathology. And then you got my taste in music, which most people barely understand. You know, all this metal stuff I do. You know, whoa, look at that. Yes. All this metal stuff I do and all the way in which I express myself. And now this interest in storms. Pretty quirky, I must say, I am. But, you know, that's me. I really should be sleeping now, you know, because in the morning I've got summer practice over in Geiletz's, just on the other side of the bloody city. But, you know, put an insane lightning storm in front of me, I'm there. Oh. It's a pity I didn't get the earlier footage. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Now that was something. It's very hard to get all these lightning bolts. Come on, show us some more. All you see here is just pitch black with a bit of light down here. But you know what? From what I've seen, I guess if you're undertaking storm photography or shooting videos like this, or more professionally, oh, that was nice. I guess you need to have a lot of patience to sit in one place for hours waiting for the perfect moment. So, I guess this is a taste of what storm chasers really do, and weather photographers do as well. Oh man, that looked like a proper fork. Gotta get a little closer. Problem is I don't want the rain to damage my iPad from which I'm filming. With which I'm... Oh god, that was beautiful. That thunder is immense. The thing with lightning storms is that they're extremely capricious. You know, they never occur in one direction. Wow. Just like this. You know, they're never in one direction. It's just all over the place. Just these scorching bolts just streaking all over the place. There's no one direction you can keep your camera pointed in. You point it in one direction, chances are it will strike in another one, like this one just did. Whoa, 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 that is something. Whoa. That was a proper forked streak of lightning. Yep, and there's the thunder. Come on, show us some more. Yep. You know, if this was a supercell storm, it would be so unbelievably dangerous that I'd be battered with hail, rain, cyclonic winds, and of course I would need about 10 hours worth of camera footage, because that's how long supercells last for. It would be too dangerous to stay there for too long. Wow, wow. Ooh. Come on, let's have some more. Sorry for the moments of silence. I just don't really know what else to say. Bloody hell, that was really... I swear that was cloud to cloud. Wow. Just absolutely phenomenal. Oh. Wow. I missed that. That was definitely a cloud to cloud connection. Ooh. See what I mean? You point your camera in one direction, lightning bolt is completely on the other side of it. It's insane. I have to wrap up soon. I bet you anything at the moment I wrap up, the sky will be dominated with beautiful lightning blasts. But I think from what I can see, this storm seems to be on the wane. You know, there isn't as much rain earlier on and the wind is calming down. So I guess the storm is moving further away. Yeah, I think so. Oh, still some lightning though, so I guess it's worth sticking around for. Yeah, that was nice. Oh, right over there. Shit. That's what happens when you try and film storm videos with an iPad. Whoa. Wasn't that something? Again, I apologise for the moments of silence. Quite a bit happening over to my right. But then again, you know, it's a matter of time before something happens to my centre or to my left. Yeah. Alright. I think I'll call it a night. Well, it's been pretty fun shooting. Actually, maybe I won't. Just when I was about to call time on this, some flashes came my way. If anyone show us some bolts. Okay. Alright, I think I'll call time on this. Well, it's been fun filming this. I don't know what it's going to look like when I play it back, but and what it's going to sound like with my little commentary, but I don't know, we'll see. This is the first ever storm video I've sort of done. Actually, it's not. I did that one just outside of Great Home last year. But hopefully in summer over in England we'll have some really good storms and I'll get out there and film them with a better camera than what I've got here. I mean, the iPad camera's good, but it's not very comfortable holding something with similar dimensions to a picture frame up towards the sky. Alright, I'm going to call time on this, so yeah. If any of you get to see this video, then yeah, let me know what you think. Alright, till the next one.